10 incredible onion hacks and tricks you need to try. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unveil some mind-blowing tricks and hacks using one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen, the humble onion. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the incredible ways you can use an onion and its contents. Let's dive right in. Onion tear-free chopping. Tired of tearing up while chopping onions? Try placing the onion in the freezer for about 10 minutes before cutting. The cold temperature reduces the release of the irritant gas, making your chopping experience tear-free. You can also try cutting the onion under running water or wearing goggles to protect your eyes. Onion freshness test. Want to know if your onion is fresh? Cut a small slice from the top. If it has a strong oniony smell, it's fresh. But if it smells off or has a mild aroma, it's time to replace it. Fresh onions are essential for bringing out the best flavors in your dishes. Onion odor removal. Cooking with onions can leave a strong odor on your hands. To remove the smell, rub your hands with stainless steel, like a spoon or sink, under running water. The sulfur compounds in the onion will bind to the steel and neutralize the odor. You can also try rubbing your hands with lemon juice or vinegar for a similar effect. Onion homemade dye. Did you know you can make natural dyes from onions? Boil onion skins in water for about 30 minutes, strain the liquid, and use it to dye fabric or even Easter eggs. Experiment with different shades by adjusting the boiling time. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to add color to your crafts. Onion cough syrup. Onions have natural cough-suppressing properties. To make a homemade cough syrup, combine chopped onions with honey and let it sit overnight. The next day, strain the mixture, and take a spoonful as needed to soothe your cough. The antimicrobial properties of onions, combined with the soothing qualities of honey, can provide relief from cough and sore throat. Onion grilled cheese enhancer. Elevate your grilled cheese sandwich by adding caramelized onions. Sauté thinly sliced onions until golden and sweet, then layer them onto your sandwich with the cheese. The rich flavors of caramelized onions will take your grilled cheese to a whole new level. It adds a delicious depth of flavor and adds a touch of sweetness to your favorite sandwich. Onion cleaning agent. Onions can also serve as a natural cleaning agent. Cut an onion in half and dip it in salt. Scrub your grill grates or rusted pans with the onion to remove stubborn stains and grime. The natural acids in the onion combined with the abrasive texture of salt make it a potent cleaning tool for tackling tough messes. Onion insect repellent. Ward off pesky insects from your garden by creating an onion-based insect repellent. Blend onions with water, strain the mixture, and spray it on plants or affected areas. The pungent scent of onions will keep insects at bay. It's a natural and chemical-free alternative to conventional insecticides. Onion silverware polisher. Restore the shine to your silverware with an onion. Rub a cut onion directly onto tarnished silverware, and then wipe it clean. The natural acids in the onion will react with the tarnish, helping to remove it and restore the silver's luster. Rinse the silverware with water and dry it thoroughly to prevent any onion odor. Onion Firestarter. In a pinch for kindling? Onion peels can be used as a natural fire starter. Save the dry, papery peels from onions and allow them to completely dry out. Once dry, place them in a container and use them as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fire starters. The dried onion peels catch fire easily and help ignite your fire quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, folks, 10 incredible tricks and hacks using onions and their contents. From tear-free chopping and freshness tests to homemade cough syrup and insect repellents, onions prove to be more than just a flavor enhancer in the kitchen. Whether you're looking for practical solutions or creative uses, onions have got you covered. Give these tricks a try and let us know which one amazed you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.